Over the course of time since 2021, designers and artists have been working on their NFT projects and have sold out plenty. As time passes now, many projects are struggling to sell out, even those of which is backed by celebrities and huge names. Why? Simply because the NFT space has changed. In the early days, it was the hype market, so sellers took advantage, rode the wave and sold out as many NFTs as they could. Once utility NFTs were introduced, their numbers went drastically down. And now that anyone and everyone could provide some form of utility, the NFT market has gone from the seller's market to the buyer's market. As it should be. The general people now have the power to compare and contrast what they get in return from buying each NFT. That being said, how does someone actually sell out a collection? Today we are going to be talking about 4 huge fatal mistakes that NFT creators make that brings failure and doom to their NFT projects. Buyers can start looking for red flags illustrated in this video too. Number 1. Who is the creator? You see an NFT project and the art looks awesome, but who is the person behind it? Is it a famous actor, rapper, or football player? What are they saying about NFTs and Web3? Asking yourself these questions will lead to an immediate research on the founder of the project. How long have they been tweeting about their NFTs? Have they made any videos about their NFTs? Doxing is easy, especially for a celebrity. But how serious are they about it? Are they treating this as a marketing campaign or a quick cash grab? A NFT project is forever. It stays on the blockchain. So therefore, if you are creating an NFT project, it is really important that people can trust you and your team. Anyone who is creating an NFT project needs to realize that their NFT project equals their own reputation. If their NFT project is a scam, then the founder is a scammer. If the NFT project is a huge success, then the founder is hugely successful. Number 2, is the project a derivative? There's Bored Ape Yacht Club, then there are hundreds of different types of ape-based projects. If your project is a derivative of another project, chances are that your project is a rug pull scam. So we would recommend creating unique art instead of a derivative of other big projects. So think of something that no one has done before. Each and every NFT project is unique and the roadmap of it is up to the founder and the team. Do anything, just don't be a copycat. We are also thinking about making a full guide on how to create an NFT project from scratch. Everything from creating the NFTs, creating a Discord server, and promoting the project. If this sounds interesting, let us know in the comments below. Number 3, does the project have a community? NFTs are largely based on communities. The stronger the NFT community is, the higher their floor price will be and the higher their traded volume will be. It's as simple as that. Unfortunately, this is where most NFT creators fail. They think of this phase as only marketing. Marketing is what you do to attract customers, which isn't enough. For a community, you need communication and a complete, concise community building activities. So some good tips are: stop treating everyone as your customers. Stop expecting everyone to buy your NFT. Start by thinking what you can give them. Start by thinking how you can make their lives better. Many NFT creators who think of community building as a marketing strategy often try and fail, then they use promoters and influencers to build hype. Their followers will be at the 10,000 mark or even more, Discord members will be at the 20,000 mark or even more, but this numbers means nothing. Simply because they are all bots or just joining to try win giveaways. It's all fake profiles that have little to no engagement. And once you see any NFT project that has a majority of bots, we wouldn't recommend buying from their project. So as you can tell, building a community can be really hard. Number 4, how relevant is the roadmap? For an NFT project, roadmaps are ultimately necessary. They will make or break a project, literally. A single unexpected flunk out of the roadmap smells huge trouble for your project. A roadmap is supposed to be a guideline for the team to deliver what they have stated, and for holders to know what to expect. Many projects in recent times just blatantly lie about their roadmap, and once their project is minted, all you see and hear is "coming soon." We are working on it. Thank you for being patient. It may take months or years for them to actualize their roadmap. And what kind of assurance as a buyer do you have that ensures the roadmap will be achieved for you, the holders, to receive the benefits? Absolutely nothing, which is why it's important to establish credibility as a founder or a team member of a project. As a creator, ideas are your most valuable asset, but it can quickly turn into a liability if you overpromise and underdeliver. Also, a good tip is to stop thinking about the second drop or your next collection. Why do you need more people to buy into something that you can't even fulfill now? Work on your community. Working alone won't be enough. You will need a team. You will need consultations, and you will need help in building a community and people to be active in your community. That was all we had for you in today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos on how to start your own NFT project. Also, make sure comment down below what you want to see next.